Alright, so last Friday we hosted a brand new merch shop on BRZ Supply. We got some new hats as well as some new t-shirts, as you can see right here, all live on the website, available worldwide. It helps out the channel so much, guys, to make more builds like this, as well as support the new 2022 BRZ. So if you guys are interested, the links will be down in the description below to cop the new merch. So we pretty much got 4 new colors. We have the black one on right now. We got the BRZ Supply in the top left, as well as the huge logo on the back. Right here, we got the maroon t-shirt. This is probably the best seller out of the whole drop, but we got the chocolate color BRZ Supply t-shirt. And last but not least, we got the forest green t-shirt right here. I think this is one of my favorites right here. I get this question here and there often. That question is if you should boost your FRS, BRZ, or 86. And if it's worth it, you know, how much it is. So I pretty much want to cover everything in this video right here. Pretty much everything you need to know if you want to turbo or supercharge your 86 or whatever you have. Alright, so if you guys are new to the channel and haven't seen this car or don't know much about it, this is my 2016 FRS and it is Vortex supercharged. To be completely honest, my engine bay is so freaking dirty, so it's kind of embarrassing to show you guys this. So looking back on the videos, we got the supercharger install on the FRS. We got it posted on July of 2020. So this car has literally been supercharged for 2 years. So it's on the 2-year mark and it's pretty much been running super strong ever since. You know, when you get to that point, you know, boosting your car is kind of one of those things where it's kind of iffy. You know, it's scary because it's a lot of money and you don't really know, you know, everything that goes into it. So hopefully with this video I can kind of show you guys and just, I don't know, give you guys my knowledge on what I've learned over the past few years of having a boosted car. If I'm gonna be completely honest, the #1 reason why I boosted this car with the Vortex kit is for this sound right here. That blow-off valve is insane. Car's obnoxious, but yeah. We'll get some driving clips right now, show you guys what it sounds like. And yeah, all that fun stuff. All right, guys, got you up on my hat right now. Hopefully the audio is somewhat decent. Hopefully it's not too low or too loud because I got the camera literally like right by my face. But the car's honestly been good, guys. Like, let's go turn the AC off. Honestly, no real issues have came up with this car as a result of like boosting it, supercharging it. Now, if you guys saw the first video we ever made with this car, supercharging it, you would see that it literally broke down on us. Literally, it was just like a big headache, but that was all my fault, you know, like install error. See, like it kind of like cuts, it goes. Oh, I see my face smell something. That's more gas. Oh shoot, dude! Oh no, that's more gas. It was nothing because of like the supercharger or anything. It was just all like my fault because I installed it wrong. But yeah, aside from that, like nothing has really like broke down on me or like broke. I've dailied this car like literally ever since I've gotten my new daily, which was like a few months ago. But I've dailied this car, guys, supercharged and everything. Fun fact, I actually used to work for Pizza Hut. So I boosted this car and I still worked for Pizza Hut and I delivered with this, literally boosted and everything in the summer. So I guess that shows, you know, how tough this car has been since boosting it. We have it at 139,000 miles right now, almost 140. So guys, I don't keep this car in the garage at all. I don't let it sit. This car is always outside. This car is always being driven. So, you know, I guess that just shows how well this kit has kept up, as well as the motor, and I have my fun with it too. So I got the pops and bangs. Gosh, the pops are crazy. But yeah, I have my fun with it. It's what these cars are built for, to have fun with them, so I literally just do that. In my opinion, it's not worth it if you're just gonna boost it and just have the kit and that's it, you know, just put the kit on and call it a day. Because what I've seen, you know, the numbers aren't that good, honestly, just with the kit on 91. I think you only push like I don't even know, 240 to 260. something like that. That's like a rough estimate. So I bought all the supporting mods that you need to make your car push a little bit over 300 horsepower on E85. We got this kit from Delicious Tuning. Comes with all the supporting mods. I believe it was like the fuel pump, injectors, flex fuel kit, the Ecotech, the dongle or whatever it's called. I believe a new map sensor. Yeah, literally everything that you need when boosting your car and to push over 300. An Ecotech app right here on the phone. Just go to my car and literally everything pops up right here. You can see advanced multiplier, all your temps, just to make sure your car is, you know, running fine, you know, all the temperatures are good. That's one cool thing with Ecotech. You can see everything on your phone. Oh, a little bit of scraping. So loud. Forgot to mention, but you also need a tune, obviously. So in that Delicious Tuning package that I just told you guys, that comes with all those supporting mods. It also comes with their Flash and Go tune. So the tune is included. It's literally everything that you need to get your car running after you boost it. So I just pretty much did it all at once. Since I had the whole car taken apart, you know, we just took care of the injectors, the fuel pump, you know, the actual supercharger itself, flex fuel kit, all that stuff. And yeah, it was like a 2-day, I think it was like a 2-day process for all of us. I just invited, you know, like a few friends over, and we just got working on the car. And I think it took like 2 days or so to get everything installed and up and running before it broke down on us. Like I said, it was our fault. We forgot to do something with the injectors. But yeah, we're pulling up to the gas station right now. I'm gonna get some E85 because that's really where this car shines and makes the most fun. So let's get some E85. Sanitize after you use that pump. You guys know how many people touch that pump right there. Always keep this in my car. All right, got a full tank of E85. Good to go. This is just me, but I have this weird thing, like if I have like a lot of trash in my car, like a lot of cups, like empty cups from like, I don't know, going out to eat, I just have to get it out. Like I can't have a whole bunch of just like junk in my car. My girlfriend makes fun of me all the time because of it. I just can't have a whole bunch of things like on my cup holder. It's just a whole bunch of stuff in here. I just can't. Back to the video. So yeah, E85 is in the car right now, and that's honestly where this whole boosting topic really gets worth it. That's really when you can feel like the big difference. And in my opinion, I feel like that's just when everything is more worth it. I don't think it's worth it if, you know, you just use 91, if you just, you know, have no supporting mods. But highly recommend you guys go the extra mile, get the supporting mods so you can run E85, because that's really, like I said, where you can feel a big difference. I'll literally go over the entire cost of all the supporting mods and everything you need. So let's head to that new spot and let's do some pulls on a full tank of E85. came back from our little drive we had. That was pretty fun. Looks like everything is still there. No broken split or anything, which is good. Came to the spot because I want to talk to you guys about how much everything really cost for this car. How much was the supercharger kit, all the supporting mods. Alright guys, how much to actually boost your FRS, BRZ, and 86, Ren E85 and everything with all the supporting mods. So right here on the FT Speed website, we have the Vortec Supercharger kit. This is the V3 version, so it has its own little oil reservoir. You don't have to tap into the oil pan whatsoever. So this right here up on FT Speed costs $5,700. So $5,700 just for the supercharger kit. That right there is with no supporting mods whatsoever. Now, like I said, the number one reason why I got this Vortec kit was because of the blow-off valve option that it comes with. And I pretty much got it right here up on the Vortec website. As you can see, it has its own little custom piping and it has the blow-off valve attached right here. So this is an optional thing right here. So on the Vortec website, it goes for $600. So $5,700 plus the $600, it runs around $6,300 for the blow-off valve as well as the supercharger kit. Now for the optional stuff, like I said, for all the supporting mods, if you guys want to run E85, you know, push as much power as you can. Right here on the Delicious Tuning website, we have the Flash and Go tuning, fueling, and flex fuel package. Altogether, this goes for around $2,395. So pretty much $2,400 for this whole package. It does get expensive, guys. You know, like I said, you know, boosting your car, it does get up there. It gets really, really pricey. Literally for just fueling stuff and tuning stuff, it's like almost a set of wheels, which is crazy. So yeah, guys, total grand price, we have $5,700 for the kit, plus $600 for the blow-off valve, which is around $6,300, plus around $2,400 for all the fueling stuff and the tuning stuff. If I can do it in my head, that's $6,300 plus $2,400. That's $8,700, guys, for everything. So yeah, guys, $8,700. That's before taxes, shipping, or any labor, you know, if you guys do not install it yourself. So yeah, guys, just in parts, $8,700 to get you around 320 horsepower on E85. If I can find the sheet again, I got a dyno tune by Delicious Tuning a while ago. I'm actually on a new tune right now by DB Tuned, but when I first got the supercharger installed, and we got a dyno tune by Delicious Tuning, I believe the car pushed 324 or 323 wheel horsepower on E85. In 91, I do not really remember. I want to say it's around like 260 horsepower on 91 pump gas. I'm gonna try to find the dyno sheet. I'll put it right here on the screen. Now I get the question, is it worth it to boost your FRS and BRZ? Really all depends, guys. If you guys want this crazy, like high horsepower, like super fast car, then it's not gonna be worth it for you. But if you just want, you know, like a nice little reliable up in power, it's not crazy fast, but you know, it's a big difference from stock, then it's worth it for you guys. So it just all depends on what kind of car you guys are trying to build. If you feel like this is just like the next piece for your car, the missing piece just had the car wide body and everything. So I felt boosting the car was like literally the missing puzzle piece for the build. It was all that the car needed, really. So I thought it was worth it, you know, just the thing to complete the whole build. So yeah, that's pretty much my like 2-year overview on having the car boosted, and if it was worth it, you know, how much money it costs to do all that stuff. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video. Like always, I always read all the comments, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or just leave it down in the comment section below. I usually read all the comments on the videos. So yeah, guys. Alright, what's new? We're ending off the video at midnight. Of course, I gotta wake up super early. I feel like I'm always ending the video like this, but hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I know a few of you guys have asked for a video talking about, you know, like boosting your car. I know there's a lot of you guys out there that want to boost your car, so I just figured this video would help out. You know, even if it helps out one person, you know, it's awesome. Got a sick video coming up today. Literally earlier, we linked up with TJ, and we did more things with Street Hunter. So we got a new part on the BRZ right now. It looks so sick, so stay tuned for the next video, guys. There's more to come with Street Hunter regarding the wide body kit. I can't say much, but guys, there's so much to come. But yeah, like I said, stay tuned for the next video. Finally, we put some stuff onto the BRZ. I felt like I haven't focused on that car in a while. It's literally just been sitting in the garage. Super tired. I'm finished up editing this video. That being said, hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.